Welcome to this course on SEO Foundations. My name is Matt Bailey, and I have been in the SEO industry for over 20 years. I am the president for SiteLogic and have authored many books such as Internet Marketing, An Hour a Day, Wired to be Wowed, and more. I have also been an adjunct faculty for Rutgers University. I have trained in several academies and companies covering digital analytics, digital marketing, SEO, and many other subjects. Some of these companies include Google, Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson, Microsoft, IBM, Experian, Disney, and HP. The SEO Foundations course walks you through how to optimize your website to increase the relevance of your website with searchers and with search engines. This, in turn, gains more organic traffic to your website. This course will also help you take an effective approach to search engine optimization with best practices and career path guidance. Anyone interested in building a career in SEO can take this course. This course is also suitable for people who want to understand the techniques and tactics of SEO. Having a knowledge of HTML is an added advantage. In this course, you will be able to identify some of the major search engines and explain how they work. This will help you optimize websites for those search engines. You will also understand that different SEO hats that define different techniques used in SEO, whether organic, marginal, or ill-advised. There are many algorithm updates by Google, and this course will help you understand those while suggesting how to keep your website unaffected by future updates. You will also be introduced to various SEO tools that will help you run a search engine optimization campaign. Skills covered in this course are using on-page optimization techniques, such as integrating keywords into content, performing competitor and keyword research analysis, identifying unethical SEO techniques, and using tools to start and run your SEO campaign. Here's the course outline, an introduction to SEO. This provides an overview of the importance of SEO and the benefits. I'll also cover some industry issues and possible career opportunities in SEO. How search engines work. The foundation of SEO is knowing the search engines, understanding search engine technology, and the terminology of SEO. Then, types of SEO. In this industry, there are established best practices, but there are those who attempt to fool the search engines for quick results. Next, the basis of your SEO work, keyword research. This topic is the foundation to do so much on online marketing. It is the key to understanding the searcher and to implementing good SEO. Then, we'll take those keywords and I'll show you how to implement them into a website through on-page optimization. After that, I'll walk you through the second part of the ranking equation, and that is incoming links from other websites, also called off-page optimization. In duplicate content, I'll cover one of the biggest obstacles to SEO. In design and architecture, I'll walk you through some of the ways to make your website more friendly for searchers and for search engines. In local SEO, I'll show you how local businesses can take advantage of the free business listings in search engines. Of course, as search engines update their algorithms all of the time, I'll cover important updates in the past and how it shows us to plan right for the future. Also, I'll touch on how SEO integrates with other disciplines, such as social media, content marketing, and paid search. I'll give you a brief overview of some of the SEO tools available to use or manage your SEO research and website marketing efforts. And finally, some tips on building a career in SEO, what you might expect, and how to increase your skills. By the end of this course, you should be able to have a grasp of the essentials of SEO, which are keyword research, optimizing content, evaluating link popularity, and identifying search engine obstacles. You should be proficient in the terminology of SEO and the activities necessary for making an impact in SEO, both personally and professionally. Thank you, and happy learning.